Hi, my name's George Kucka. We run a beef production property at Guy's Forest in Victoria with 100% Angus cows. We're commercial breeders. We run 600 breeding cows and assorted steers and heifers, replacement heifers. We're running roughly 1,100 head of cattle. Unfortunately, we got burnt out on the 30th of December this year. The fire conditions were the worst I've seen in my entire firefighting career. I've been doing this for 25 years. From when the fire got out of control in New South Wales, about 4:30 in the afternoon, I was a strike team leader for the Corryong Brigade. The fire came through at about 9:30 on the 30th of December. It was a very hot, windy day. We had little time to prepare. We had approximately 4 hours from when the fire got going in New South Wales to when it hit our property, which is 16 kilometres away. So we had very little preparation time. Basically, by 9:30, it had crossed to the property, and within 5 minutes, it had burnt right through the whole property. The whole 3,000 acres was pretty much gone in that 5 to 10 minute period. There was no ability for the fire brigades to do anything but asset protection. So we tasked them with looking after people's houses, stop ember attacks, stop the fires, burning their houses, which they were very successful with. But unfortunately, there's not enough resources to go around. We got separated. That's just what happens in a fire situation. That was very quick moving. And there was really nobody here to protect our house apart from family. During the fires, we lost 3 houses and a wool shed. We managed to protect the sundry shedding around the house. We had 1,000 rolls of silage and hay, stored fodder, and that all burnt on that night as well. So after the fires went through, the next morning we had a look at the situation for the cattle. We ended up losing, we think, roughly 150 cows that were heavily pregnant. They were due to calve this week. It was actually quite devastating. Burnt cattle or dead cattle after the fires. It was a really ordinary thing to have to do. It's tough, it really is. We lost whole mobs in certain paddocks. The fire just burnt them. An awful thing, sorry. The biggest thing for us now is to be able to buy feed for our stock. It is a very big ticket item. I hate to ask, but money would be great just to keep our stock alive. We don't have the ability to sell them or to adjust them. We're in the process of just starting to calve now, so we can't adjust them, we can't sell them, so we need to feed them, and it's going to be an expensive item for quite some time. I would like to thank everybody who is happy to donate and can donate. It means a lot to us. It's not easy being burnt out. It's very difficult, very time consuming, very stressful for everyone, especially the family. And honestly, I'd just like to thank everyone who's got the time and the goodness to provide for other farmers. It's an awesomely touching thing to have help given to you by complete strangers. Honestly, I'd just like to thank everyone who's happy to donate. Thank you.